Hi, welcome to 3D Modeling Pro Tips tutorial. This time, we will learn how to create simple helix in Grasshopper. Create slider range 1 until 30 and set 9 as default. Add radian component. Add expression x times 360. Add range component. Set 120 as number of step. Add point polar component. Copy slider as diameter control. Add expression x divide by 2. Add range component. Set 120 as number of step. Copy slider as height control. Add vector z component. Add move component to move the points polar. Add interpolate component to create curve based on points. Add pipe component. Create slider range 0.1 until 8 and set 0.5 as default. Set pipe caps as round. Add custom preview component. Add color swatch. Name it as turn, diameter, height, co-radius. Great job! You've just finished creating a simple Grasshopper script to adjust helix shapes. If you found this tutorial is useful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it. And if you have question or opinion, please leave comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.